part.
Yo,
yeah, that's how you gotta panic it. Yeah. You're panicking.
It's your girl Shadi, and I'm back again with another video, and I'm with.
Ding on pop.
You like it? Where you from?
I'm from Brooklyn.
Tell them what you do.
No, I'm an entertainer. You know what I'm saying? I do everything. Comedian, music, whatever you need me to do, I do.
By the title, y'all already see what we about to talk about.
I ain't get no sauce.
You crazy as hell. No, don't do that.
No, I'm with you. I'm with you. What's up, though?
Alexa, play Victor.
You in a relationship?
Am I in a relationship?
Mhm.
Yes, I'm in a relationship.
You are? How long y'all been together?
Been both of them since I was 14 years old.
Really?
Yeah, I'm a good girl.
That's how my last relationship was. Since I was there 14.
What happened?
We ain't gonna talk about
no,
that, but
I ain't gotta get in there.
no, but it's the same thing. How old are you now?
I'm 23.
You 23?
How old are you?
You really are?
How old you thought I was?
Like 19, 18, 19. You look young.
Nah, I get that a lot.
Really? Yeah, you got a baby face. You do not look grown, boy.
But, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
On another note.
So, like, what's your turn on and turn off in relationship?
A turn on?
Like, turn on and turn off. What makes you feel like, damn, yeah, I don't want to talk to this girl. Or, like, I don't want to talk
like,
to this.
A girl that, like, attention seeker.
Shut the fuck
You
up.
know when somebody trying too hard?
Like, they do too much for attention.
Yeah, I hate that. I can see that.
Like, on the internet and stuff?
Yeah. Like, it's not wrong with, like, posting, like, body pictures and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? If, like, you not, like, a model or, like, a...
Like, if you're not
stripper,
doing
like,
something,
why
then
you doing that? Yeah, like, why you showing your body?
But I feel like, I just feel like that's wrong to say, because what if a girl just love her body?
No, I'm just saying, right? But a girls will post something, or they ass out or whatever the case may be, and then get mad like niggas in their DMs and shit like that. And niggas
Oh
is thirsty.
yeah, thirsty.
But you the one doing all
showing that. You making someone go for you
Exactly,
because
so,
of that. Yeah, I understand what you're
Like
saying.
you looking for attention now, like stop it.
And but what about your men though?
What about us? Talk about it.
When y'all be posting all this money, making it seem like y'all doing big things, and then female feels the need. Oh, when they start dating you, you pay my rent and stuff like that. What you expect then? You posting this money, you making it seem like you getting to the bag.
Listen, I'm gonna speak for the niggas, right? When niggas do that, they posting the money and shit. That's not for the bitches.
Oh.
You know?
So who's that for? The niggas?
No. It be for the bitches, but mostly it be like for them they keep making money. You know what I'm saying? Because niggas make money in different ways. When people see you got money, they gonna fuck with it. Like, oh, let me fuck with bro, because bro got some bread, so let's get money together. You know what I'm saying? But sometimes niggas do be flowing for the bitches, but most of the times, as far as I know, it be for, you know what I'm saying, just to make more money. Niggas do be capping. Take that from nobody.
I know.
A lot of niggas out there be capping.
They be capping.
Like y'all be falling for it too.
No, not me. I don't fall for it.
Fake rollies.
Not me, sweetheart. I don't fall for it. I could tell a money nigga when I see one.
Oh, you can tell. Oh, how you can tell?
I could tell. I could tell. I'm just a female. I've been around guys. You know what I'm saying? I've been.
Oh, you've been in the club scenes and then you've been.
I've been in the club scenes. I had brothers. I had cousins. I've been with somebody since I was 14 years old. Not together no more, but I'm saying like. So I could tell. Like I've been around men. You know what I'm saying? I've been around guys. So you could just tell. You know, just like you got sisters?
Yeah.
How many sisters you got?
I got two sisters. I got one, I don't know how old she is. She probably like 27. I got a little younger sister that's 19. Yeah, I got 3 sisters. I'm bugging out.
Oh, wow.
And I got a sister that's 7.
No, I am
I'm
not.
wilding.
So you know how females are, because you've been around them. You live with them and your mother. You know what I'm saying? So you know. So what's other like turn-ons or turn-ons in relationships?
A turn on, another one be like when a girl like got shit going for herself.
Yeah,
like very
that's
like
the same with men.
Yeah, like I'm not really into, like I'm not big on how a person look.
You said I'm
Like, I'm big on like your vibe. If I can vibe with you, and you cool people with me, like you cool, you know what I'm saying? They be girls that be pretty and all that, but their personality be trash. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you mean. It makes them look ugly.
Yeah. Loud mouth, like, oh, I hate a loud person too. Like, I'm in high school, like, you know, all that.
Them girls that used to walk in the hallway, clapping their hands.
Arizona's
Yeah.
always got food.
Arizona's,
Yeah.
I'm dead.
I hate them. I hate them.
I hate them.
Oh my God. I hate them.
Yeah. But that's kind of like, I used to go for the quiet boys too, but then that shit, the quiet ones be the crazy ones. The quiet ones to themselves that don't talk to nobody, or they just like, yeah, they're a little hood and they thug, but they just quiet. Like, I don't go for those no more. Yeah, turn-ons for me is like a guy that he's grown. He's already like, nowadays, you know how before it was like big, like, oh, you in a gang, you a hood nigga, you gangster.
Yeah.
Now if you in a gang or you like recruiting little niggas or you, I don't like that.
Yeah, it's funny.
Like you
You're
just too old for that. Like, come on, it's a new year. Come on, it's a new life. Like, why are
Niggas
you?
got daughters in high school, you still gangbang?
Yeah, like that stuff
never
is. I don't
understood
like
that.
stuff
Yeah.
like that. I don't.
Sorry about that.
Like you in a gang and you
Or it just
recruiting people.
anybody, even a girl that's older trying to be in a young girl loop. Like,
Yeah,
that's
like
out.
I don't like that.
That's out.
Yeah, that's trash. Like, come on now, you gotta settle down. You gotta relax.
Exactly. That's,
You in the
that's,
hood still. You wanna chill on the block. You wanna be in front of the liquor store
but-
with an ice
but
cup.
wait, but we ain't gonna take that from nobody because some people can't make it out. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't gonna do that. But
We ain't gonna do that. No, because that's gonna be another topic. If you wanna get deeper, we
I'm
can
just
get
saying,
deeper.
We can get deeper. I'm just saying.
They
yo.
can't make it up because what?
I'm just saying.
Because they was brought into that lifestyle. Because I was brought into that lifestyle, and not trying to make it. I'm trying to make it out.
You the one that got away. You know what I'm saying? You trying to make it out. You doing good. Oh, you doing good for yourself.
They can't make it an excuse.
No, it's definitely no excuses, but some people probably going through things differently.
Yeah,
than
they-
what you going through. You know what I'm saying? So,
I
No,
mean,
I
I've been through a
understand
lot
what
of stuff, so you can't say that. But I
No,
guess
no,
people
I'm
handle
saying.
things differently.
So
you can
saying,
say that.
Yeah, exactly.
People handle things differently because I've been through a lot.
Alright, but you probably been through a lot, right? And there's people that probably been through way worse than you. You know what I'm saying? It's always something. No, you think you've been through the worst shit in the world?
No.
I don't know what I've been through. I can tell you some shit. You be like, what?
Yeah, but look where you at now. You overcame that, right? You don't want that for your lifestyle.
I don't.
You don't want that. So
No.
you're gonna make sure you achieve your goals.
That's a fact.
You're gonna make sure you keep going.
That's a fact.
I don't want the stuff I've been through or what I've seen in my lifestyle, so I'm gonna make sure I keep going.
That's a fact.
It's how you make your life. You can't keep blaming people
No,
at a
I'm
certain
not-
age. You
not-
can't keep blaming people or keep saying, oh, I'm like this because my mom didn't have this or I was brought in. No, there's no more excuses.
Miss Independent over there.
Yes, damn right.
You want that one? Napkins?
I'm
Napkins? Shit to do. Oh, disrespectful.
Cause that's how you funny.
I don't fucking with this. This shit got a pocket.
Stomach in as much as I can, but I barely could breathe, so I'm trying to
She
like.
got her whole stomach in her jeans.
I'm trying.
Let that gut out.
I'm trying, man.
Let the gut out.
No, we can't do that.
Oh, you can't let it out. You fucking your whole, your intestines and small intestines up. You fucking the whole cycle.
I'm
in
gonna
your
have to
stomach.
risk that. I'm gonna have to risk my life.
And I'll be back. Man, I'll be really.
You love that bitch.
Yeah, this is good.
My daughter was here, she would have tore your ass up.
I might take this and do it. It'll be smooth in it, bro. Don't do that.
No, but what's some turn-offs?
Turn off.
We can go about that. Whatever. Turn on, turn offs.
So I got a weird turn on though.
Like
one,
what?
it's like I got a thing for like black tights. Like,
Black tights?
Black tights. I don't know. Like it's not like.
Like you like girls wearing leggings. That's what
they
you
gotta
took
be
them all the
black,
time?
though, yeah. I don't know why. It gotta fit nice too. Like you know how bitches be having like the baggy Linty Jones and all that I can't do. Like it gotta have like a good Nike.
I know what you mean, like tight and nice and just new,
tight.
fresh out the
Yeah, like you could tell like
fucking store.
it looked like the
Fresh out Model.
yeah, like the tight sticking to the skin off. Yeah, that shit weird.
You like workout pants.
Yeah.
Them girls that be running, you be watching them.
Yeah. I ain't no perverted shit. I might take a little peek though, what I'm saying? A little peek.
Of course. Even girls look. No, I'm saying we be looking at other girls, so I already knew that.
Okay. You know what I was talking about?
Of course.
Black type got it. Trying to think of a turn off. I get turned off a lot.
Instagram. And I'm like, this man loves to argue. Like, every argument he be having, I had that with my ex. I'm like, yo, this man, this is crazy.
Argument might be a turn on for me. I like expressing how you really feel, you know what I'm saying, in a moment.
No,
I don't like arguing.
No, every time I see a video, I'm like, this man loves to argue. Yeah. Like, all of them arguments you have is like, relatable. Like,
I done been through so much shit when it comes to women.
No, I'm like, this guy gotta be in a relationship because he knows what to argue about and how the arguments go.
All them shit I done been through. More than half them shit I done been through.
Definitely, of course. Making videos about them shits and shit.
Yeah, arguments get about.
Yeah, I don't like that shit. Unless we gonna do something after, you feel what I'm saying?
That'd be my whole goal to argue. I ain't gonna lie, you wanna come in the house, argue. I don't really want to argue, but I know where it could lead to. I'm fucking with it. You gonna end it up on a good note, you gonna argue all day. So if you gonna argue and storm out, you're done here. Ain't no coming back. One and done. If you can't argue and work things out, it's over.
Some girls don't like that though. Some girls are.
I'm not a nigga that want to go through the phone.
Yeah, me neither. I feel like in a relationship, I shouldn't have to go through your phone. If I ever come across it, like if it happens, you cheat on me and I find out, then that's a different story. But I don't feel like I have to go through your phone. So, because you should automatically be loyal. Like, we shouldn't even start that. Like, I shouldn't even have to deal with no shit like that.
That's a fact.
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
I won't go through no phone, but like, if I beat some shit, like, I'm a nigga. Like, I'm really like a one chance type of nigga. Like, you fuck up one time, like, I'm done with you.
That's how you are?
Yeah,
like you don't take it. Yeah. I don't believe that. You say you've been with somebody since you was 14 years old?
Yeah, I've been with her off and on, but that's the one, like, I done been in different relationships, but that was my high school, you know what I'm saying? She lived up the block. It was always, she was always there, like, I'll fuck with somebody, stop fucking with somebody, going back to fuck You watch each other go through relationships and shit like that. Man, shit, but as far as, like, women, like, once I'm dealing with you, like, we vibing, it's cool, but once I see some funny shit, like,
it turns you off.
Yeah, like, that's a turn off. Like,
yeah, you just like,
and I don't got the energy to argue. I'm not arguing.
That means that you really don't love them. Because if you really love somebody, you want to make sure you fight for that shit.
Exactly. So now that goes back to with my girl. You know what I'm saying?
With your girl, it's a different story. You want to fight for that.
Yeah, I'm talking about regular. I find the DM. You fuck up, you're done here, man. There won't be no hard feelings. You know what I'm saying? You just throw him out for him.
Exactly.
It ain't going down.
I don't really like guys that's like, if you ain't paying my phone bill, why the fuck you think you going through my phone? You ain't paying my bills. Listen.
Congratulations, too.
Oh, this. Oh, sorry. See, I
wear this.
No. I wear this so men don't try to talk to me.
Wait, hold on. What?
No,
butt ass?
No, yeah, I wear
that. That so niggas won't try to talk to you?
So
it's bad deep?
Yeah, I don't want nobody talking to me. I don't want nobody see, there we go. I like the man that cares about his appearance. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like a guy that feels like you gotta care about your appearance.
That's
like,
a big fact.
You think you could go outside looking raggedy, having peas in your head? Come on, bro. Twist that shit. Do something. Alright, guys. That was the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Make sure you follow my boy.
D1 pop. Look, right here. Bow.
Okay.
I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined. It's safe to say I earned it. None of you guys can flash me.
Period.